Students at Columbia College are still mourning the death of one of their own. Walking to the L, student Kevin Ambrose began running for his life as bullets fired toward him on a Tuesday night. A bullet had struck Kevin in the back. A nearby hospital had pronounced him dead later that same night. Even though police have a suspect in custody, friends are still trying to cope with Kevin's passing.
The day he died, I took it hard. I took it really hard. I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to eat. I didn't want to go to school. I didn't want to go to work. I was just like, this just can't be real.
Senior Kendall Williamson had mentored Kevin in a peer support program at Columbia. He remembers his mentee as funny, determined, ambitious, and an overall good guy.
He honestly was one of my favorites, you know. He was one of the ones who I personally took a lot of interest in. A lot of like the determination, the ambition that he has, you really don't see that in a lot of like freshmen, first-year students.
The Columbia community is honoring the fellow student Kevin Ambrose. The Black Student Union have released balloons in honor of Kevin's memory.
So we decided to release balloons in honor of him and just do a moment of silence. I tried not to cry because it was really beautiful. Like the way the balloons were just releasing and it was sporadically. It was almost like we were letting him go to heaven, you know, like releasing it. So it was really a beautiful moment. So.
Even though she didn't know him as good as others, Tyler McDermott says she would see Kevin all the time at his job at a nearby Target.
Just no way that you can explain it, and I think that's what the hardest part is. It's just trying to explain or trying to find some sort of understanding of why it happened and why he's no longer here.
It's no question that Kevin has made a positive impact on the lives of others. His friends say he left a good memory in everyone's heart. I'm Nick Samuel with Columbia College News.